Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to lock a shape in Microsoft Word so it cannot be moved. Even when you edit your type around it, if you regularly work with layouts, certificates, ID cards, forms, or documents that contain shapes, image, or icons, this video is going to save you a lot of time and frustration. So let's get started. Now you want to lock shape but not cannot be moved. You can make it double click on the top of page. Go to the header. Otherwise you can go to header footer, go to the insert menu and click this header drop down menu and select this blank header. Now here the header. Then we go back insert menu, click this shape drop down menu. Now I am choose this oval shape. Then draw the shape to this page. Then you can change the color of the shape fill. You can make the outline none. Then double click on main page. Now I select the shape but the shape cannot move. Now we apply the same process on blank page. We can see already we added a shape. Now I added another shape. Go back again the insert, click this shape drop down and select this heart shape. Then draw this. Then double click on the main page and try to select the shape but we not select this. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get next video very easily. Thanks for watching.